Here I have another question of arithmetic sequence that often comes this type of question in examination, where you need to find out the n and nth term. All right. So let's read the question first. If the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 2 and the common difference is 8 and the sum of the n terms is 90, then find the value of the n and nth term. So as I told you in the previous videos, and for many videos I'm telling you, always and always try to write the first given things. So as per the question, let's write all the given things. If the first term, all right, keep in mind the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 2. So let me represent the first term by A, and the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 2 here. And the common difference is 8. Common difference, we can represent by D. So let's say common difference is here. D equals to 8. And the sum of the n terms is 90. Okay, we're given one more thing. The sum of n terms, Sn, is given to be 90. Then find the value of n. We need to find out n equals what, and find the value of nth term, that is an equals to what. All right. So this is the given things, and as you already know that after writing the given things, we have to formulate the given things, you know. And here, you know, the first term is given and the last term is given and the nth sum of the nth term is given. So it's very easy to now deal, because you know A, you know D, and you know Sn also. So simply formulate the sum of n terms here and put the value of that. All right. So the general sum of n terms formula is Sn equals to, you know, that it's n by 2 twice of A, n minus 1 times the common difference. And here we are given that the sum of n terms is 90. So I'm just going to plug the value of that 90. And n terms we need to find out. We don't know what is the value of n, so I'm putting here n by 2. All right. And here 2A twice of first term, that is 2. And again n we don't know, so let me put n minus 1. And the common difference I know, that's 8. So further I'm going to do a 9 times 2, that's 18. So it's going to be 180 equals to n times, now 2 times 2, that is 4, and n minus 1, that's that 8 is going to multiply, so it's going to be 8n first, 8n minus 8, okay, and bracket close. And further it's going to be 180, and now n is going to multiply this, later we'll multiply. First let's solve this. This is 8n and this is minus 8, all right, plus 4 and minus 8, that's going to be minus 4. All right. And now n times, I'm dealing this first, right? N will multiply this 8n and you'll get 8n square, and this n will multiply this 4, you'll get 4n. And let me bring this 180 into this side, so it's going to be minus 180 and equals to 0, because here you'll be left with nothing, you'll be left with 0. All right. And now let's solve it. So further I'm bringing a little down, so let me take here the common 4. All right. If I'm taking here common 4, then I'll get 2n square, and here it will be left with simply n, and when 4 will get common from the 180, you'll get here 45 and equals to 0. All right. So now it's going to be simply 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. So now we can solve this by any method. There are a lot of methods to solve this quadratic equation. I'm just doing middle term splitting method. All right. For that I need to multiply 2 and 45. I'll get 90. All right. So the two numbers product, you know, if it is A and B, then the product of them should be 90, and the sum, you know, A plus B should be n is being multiplied by minus 1, so it's minus 1. So we need to choose such two numbers that multiplies to 90 and sums to minus 1, and we got that number. That's 9 and 10. I mean 9 and minus 10. If you add it, you'll get minus 1. If you multiply it, you'll get 90, you know, because it is minus 45, so it's minus 90 here, right? Minus 45 times 2, that's minus 90, and we got it. So I'm going to split this as a 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. And now further, if I'm taking here 2n common, then I will be left with n minus 5, and here if I'm taking 9 common, then I will be left with 9 minus 5 equals to 0. So further we are going to get 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 equals to 0. Now either 2n plus 9 equals to 0, or you'll get 9 minus 5 equals to 0. And now let me tell you here, you'll get 2n equals to 9 minus 9 and n equals to minus 9 by 2, and n cannot have the negative number, so not possible. This is not possible. Reason why it's not possible? And cannot have negative number. You know, you have to write it here. And can't be negative. And can't be negative and fraction. Can't be negative and fraction. And is a integer, you know. Can be negative and fraction. And fraction. So therefore n equals to 5. So you got the value of n, you know. You got the value of n now. So the question was asking what is the value of n? And now we are saying the question, hey, the value of n is 5. Okay. Then let's find the nth term. It means a 5 we need to find out. What is the fifth term? So fifth term from the general term formula, that's a plus n minus 1 times d, or you are well enough, well learned, then you can simply write a plus 4d, because whenever you're writing any term, nth term you're writing, then it becomes n minus 1. So if you're writing 5 term here, then it will be 4 times d, alright? Okay, so it's first term we know already, that is 2, alright? I'm not lying, you know that, you know, it's 2, and the common difference is 8. So let's put the value of common difference, that's 4 times 8. And that's 2 plus 4 times 8, that is 32, and that's going to be 34. Answer. So our fifth term is 34. I hope you understand this, and similar type of the question, a lot you need to do. Always, you know, keep just one thing in mind. Write all the given things first. That's your first step. And the second step is formulate it. Given things first you write, and the second step is formulate it. And after formulating it, you'll get some unknown quantity. Get the value, get the unknown value, you know, get the unknown value. That's your third step. And the fourth step is get the question what you are asking, get the desired one. Okay, so first what we did, we write the given things here, and then we formulate it here, whatever we are given from them. We are given this and we formulate it. And then we get the value of unknown value, and unknown was here n, and we got here n, you know. See, we got the value of n. And our fourth step is now got the desired value, you know. Get the desired value, get the desired one. The question was asking us n, we find out, and we need to find out our desire. We're desiring to get an, that is a fifth term, and we find out that's going to be 34. This is how we need to solve any type of the problem in arithmetic sequence or progression, whatever you say. All right. And not only here in the geometric sequence or harmonic sequence, there also the same methods applies. All right. See you in the next video with next typical question. That's definitely gonna help you. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button.